Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change the font size in Google Chrome. So you can do this on either a PC or a laptop. And if you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do first is open up a new Google Chrome browser. And it's actually fairly simple to do this. All we need to do is come to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots up here. Then what we want to do is come down and click onto settings. So this is going to bring you to the settings page. If we look at the menu on the left hand side, you've got a few options. What you want to do is actually go ahead and click onto appearance. And then from here, what you'll need to do is at the top in the very first section under appearance, if you look just about halfway down, you've got the font size option. So what you can do is actually give that a click and you've got it set to medium by default. But obviously you can make it larger if you want. So you just click large and it's going to make it a bit larger. You can go very large, or you can go the opposite end of the scale and make it smaller. Now, Google do change their settings layout and things like that quite a lot. So if you can't find it the way I've shown you, if you just literally come to the search bar at the top and click font, and you'll see what's going to happen. That should take you straight there, just in case you're watching this and it doesn't look how it does at the moment. As I say, Google do change their settings page now and again, so it might look a bit different if you're watching this at a different time to when this was filmed. But I hope you did find that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below, and if you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.